Hey guys, so quick video on how you can connect the ASUS laptop to your monitor, and it's super simple. So what you need to do is that you are going to have like HDMI or VGA or DisplayPort or something on your laptop, and the same thing you want to locate also on your monitor. So you can have monitor HDMI. I don't know what kind of monitor you got, but that's how you're gonna do it. So you just want to locate the same ports. It can be HDMI, VGA, maybe DisplayPort, and then you just need appropriate cable that you're gonna get with the monitor, like for example the HDMI cable or VGA cable, and that's it, how you're gonna do it. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you're having a great day, and goodbye.